What makes a skincare product natural is a question with more than one answer. At Dallium Beauty, we believe in transparency. Let's break down the basics so you can make informed choices. In skincare, the word natural usually means ingredients that come from plants, minerals, or other sources found in nature. But not every natural product is the same. Some are fully plant-based, while others, like ours, blend botanical extracts with select synthetic ingredients for safety and effectiveness. At Dallium Beauty, we prioritize botanical extracts and plant-based actives, but we're not 100% natural. We choose gentle, effective ingredients and avoid harsh chemicals that can irritate sensitive skin. Some synthetic ingredients are included to ensure safety, quality, and shelf life. Transparency matters to us. We clearly list all ingredients on our packaging and product pages. If you have questions about any ingredient, we encourage you to reach out. Natural doesn't always mean better or safer. It's important to consider your skin type, sensitivities, and the benefits of each ingredient. Our goal at Dallium Beauty is to empower you to make confident, informed decisions about your skincare. Thank you for choosing Dallium Beauty, where gentle, effective skincare is rooted in nature, backed by science, and made in Canada.